A snow tradition is underway closer to home, and we think you probably know what we're talking about. Stephen Tschida live in DuPont Circle, where they're going to have today's snowball fight. Hi, Stephen.
Hi, Allison. This is a wet, icky snow, but it's perfect for snowballs. Check it out. Behind me, the tradition, the snowball fight at DuPont Circle. They've got people defending the statue, those attacking the statue, the fountain in the center. They're just having a good time. People have been gathering here for the past hour and a half or so. I said, why are you coming out here? They say it gives them a chance to be a kid again. And also, they're not going to work today, many of them. So it was also an opportunity to get outside and have some fun. Again, the snowball fight been going on for about 10 minutes now, and it promises to keep going. And then, hey, you're going to go for the snowball fight, aren't you? I'm a dog lover, too. Hey, have fun. Yeah, a lot of people having fun out here. Reporting live, Stephen Tschida. Oh, don't. ABC 7 News.
Come on, Stephen. You knew it was coming. They get them every year.
I know.
All right, man. Be careful out there.